So guys, actually I did not supposed to show you guys this is a live account, so I did not supposed to show you guys because everything have to be secured, you understand. Well, I just want you guys to see this so that you can stay motivated. I don't supposed to share my live account with you guys. So as you can see, this is, if you check the time right here, and as you can see, everything I've been sharing, this is what we're actually doing in the real time. So you guys, as you can see, this is CFS. We logged the profits. You can check the time. As you can see, 120, and as you can see, another winning on Ethereum, which is still running. And as you can see, we took loss. Well, this is not I think this was yesterday late at night that I told you guys. I think in the morning, but very early. And as you can see, this is the bank that I showed you as well in that account. So as you can see, this is 856 short. I don't supposed to show you guys this, but I want you guys to stay motivated. So look at Bitcoin. I actually short Bitcoin as well in the morning and the late at night as well, close around after 12. You can check the time right there. And also we took I think we took a Solana as well. If you look at the time, we took it around 12 on dot, which is this early in the morning. You understand? I don't know how to like, but you get. As you can see, this is 96. So this is what is going on, and some of the trade are still running. I showed you guys, right? So guys, this is real. So just stay focused and stay and keep learning. Every strategy I'm sending for you guys, I keep giving you guys the setup. And if you guys want me to also, like, I'm still going to be coming live, so you guys can see how we do the analysis. You get, this is real, guys.